particle accelerators, the massive machines that propel particles to near light speed, allowing scientists to unlock the deepest secrets of the universe. But what if you fell into one? Let's explore what would happen if you somehow ended up inside one of these powerful devices. First, let's set the stage. Particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider at CERN accelerate subatomic particles like protons to nearly the speed of light. These particles smash into each other, and the results reveal fundamental forces and particles that make up the universe. Now let's say you somehow end up inside the accelerator. First off, you'd be facing an extremely powerful magnetic field designed to keep the particles on track. You wouldn't just fall into the machine, but for the sake of this scenario, let's imagine it. As you get closer to the beam, the first thing you'd notice is the intense radiation. Accelerated particles are blasting around at nearly the speed of light, and those particles can be harmful to human tissue. Exposure would be immediately dangerous, with radiation levels high enough to cause severe damage to your cells. You'd likely be exposed to fatal amounts of radiation in a matter of seconds. Next, the particles themselves. These are not your everyday atoms. They're incredibly energetic and moving so fast that they'd pass right through your body without much interaction. But because they're traveling at near light speed, the forces involved would be catastrophic. Essentially, you'd be in the path of a particle storm, and that's a recipe for destruction. High-energy particles would interact with your atoms, causing ionization, the process of stripping electrons from your atoms. This would cause cellular damage, break down DNA, and quickly result in severe burns, internal damage, and organ failure. Your body simply wouldn't be able to survive the intense conditions. Before long, your body would be torn apart by the incredible forces at play. The radiation exposure would have irreversible effects, and the high-speed particles would cause massive cellular destruction. Within seconds, you'd be overwhelmed, with your body unable to cope with the harsh environment of the accelerator. But here's the thing, you'd never even get close to falling into an accelerator. They are heavily shielded and guarded, designed to keep out any human presence. But it's fascinating to think about how extreme the conditions would be if something like this ever happened. Particle accelerators are vital tools in advancing our understanding of physics and the universe. Without them, we wouldn't have groundbreaking discoveries like the Higgs boson. So while we're not in any danger of falling into one, it's always intriguing to explore the extreme environments they create. If you found this mind-blowing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We've got more scientific adventures waiting for you. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.